Okay, so Jen left her house and drove to school in the morning, as shown in the accompanying graph. On her drive to school, she realized that she forgot her book bag and had to return home before driving back to school for a 3-hour class. Presuming this is like college or something, where you have 3-hour classes. Explain what is happening during each part of the graph. Okay, so it says A, B, so that means from A to B. What is happening from A to B? Can someone explain or take a guess of what is happening? Olivia?
She's driving to school.
Is she driving slowly or quickly?
On the quicker side.
Yeah, because if you look at it, if this is like, let's just assume this is like hours or something. Maybe she lives pretty far away from school. So she's driving pretty far in a pretty short amount of time. So driving to school is what Olivia said. I agree. I'm going to say driving quickly on the way to school, because I don't think she actually gets all the way there. And then what happens, so that's A to B, driving to school. What happens from B to C, Alice?
She turns around and goes back and she forgot something.
Yeah, I forgot my book bag. Oh no. Turn around, drive back home. Fast or slow, Alice? Fast. Same speed, actually, right? She goes the same amount of distance in the same amount of time, just the other direction. So we're going to drive quickly back home. Because she forgot her book bag. Quickly, as quick as last time? No. See how it's a little less steep? So this time, I guess she's already like, I'm already late. So she takes her time a little bit more this time. So we drive back to school, but not as quick as the last time. A little slower. Staying in the same spot would be a flat line anytime we do that. 3-hour class. Okay. Let's add to this that coast just means move slowly. Just like if you see run, that means moving quickly. Okay, so which graph, show me on your fingers, 1, 2, or 3, which graph do you think goes with this first story? If you're not sure, guess. So that is, these two go together. Okay. Next story, I walked to school, stayed at school for several hours, and then sprinted home because it was Friday. So remember, sprinted means that it should be a steep line. And if we see stayed, that should be a, what kind of line? Flat. Okay. And then the last one, obviously, is 3, but let's make sure we understand why. Drove halfway to work, realized I forgot my lunch, and went home. There's your key right there. Went home has to switch directions and go back to that bottom line. So went back home, which is the horizontal line at the bottom.